4M launches the brand new version of v19 standalone software platform. FineGas belongs to the 4M BIM suite of software for architecture and engineering. This platform combines an AutoCAD-like look and feel and an advanced BIM technology engine that'll help you to draw your project's networks, optimize your workflow and boost your productivity. The software performs automatically all the necessary calculations directly from the drawings, producing thus all the case study results, such as detailed calculation issue, technical descriptions, full-scale drawings, bill of materials, etc. In addition, it is very important that the calculations are performed in compliance with all the European standards, EN 1775-2007 for networks, and EN 13384. Let's watch a quick overview of this software in a simple project. Since the network has been drawn, the network recognition command informs the user for potential problem in the network, such as disconnected segments or short circuits.